from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind.
Hey guys, welcome back to CORAScozycastle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will be doing a quick power hour speed clean of my home, but most importantly, today's video is in collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, Kirsty, and her channel is called Sunshine Kirsty. I will be leaving all of her information linked down below so that you guys can go over and watch her video after you're through watching mine. Make sure you let her know that I sent you. But I have to tell you guys, I have really enjoyed getting to know her. She is amazing. I absolutely love her channel. I know that you guys will too. She does a ton of cleaning motivation, organization, and delicious vegan meals that have really inspired me to live a healthier lifestyle. So please make sure you go over to her channel. Again, thank you, Kirsty, for doing this collab with me, and I will let her introduce herself right now.
Hi lovelies, I'm Kirsty. I'm over in Cyprus in the Mediterranean. My channel is Sunshine Kirsty. Once you've enjoyed watching Kristen's speed clean this morning, I hope you come and check out my speed cleaning today. The videos I love to create are cleaning motivation, organisation, seasonal decor, and healthy plant-based recipes. My passion is healthy, happy living. If you stop by my channel, be sure to say hi in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you so much to Kristen. It is so lovely to be collabing with you today for this speed clean. Hope you're all having a beautiful day. Bye for now, lovelies.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down.
I started today's video, my power hour, in the master bedroom. I did 20 minutes in each space that I did, and I put my two middle sons' space together like as one space. So I spent 20 minutes in my master, 20 minutes in my boys' rooms, and 20 minutes cleaning out my laundry room. I hope that you guys get a ton of motivation from today's video. If you're new here, my name is Kristen. I'm a homemaker, a wife, and a mama to 3 boys. I live in Atlanta, Georgia area, and I hope that you guys will join me on my journey here. If you're new, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and definitely leave me a comment down below and say hi, because I love getting to talk to you guys and just encourage everybody. And you just never know, you might leave a comment and it might encourage somebody else that may be reading through the comments. So I really appreciate you guys being here today. I hope that you enjoy it. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, then you will know that this master bedroom does not look the same. I have been in the midst of a remodel. I'm not completely done with it. I've just kind of moved some decor around. This is not everything that's going to stay here. I definitely want to have, I want a cozy look, but I also want things to be more minimal. So you'll notice I don't have anything on the nightstands other than just the lamps. But I did want to put the shelf that I did over there that you guys will see, or are seeing me kind of dust. And I'm super excited because if you guys know, I finally got rid of the TV that kept like tripping the breaker and turning everything off. So we moved the smaller TV in, and I like how it just looks so much better. I love to kind of camouflage my televisions. I have another video that I'll definitely make sure to link down below where I have hidden a picture television in my wall in my main den space. So anytime I can get it looking smaller or just less pronounced in the room, I always just enjoy that look better in my home. So anyway, I hope that you guys are well, and I hope that you're enjoying today's motivation.
You can take me high. They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward, with sparks in the air.
he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool, but it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and
I'm here in my son Asher's room, and he needed his sheets changed. I have dusted the shelves already. So again, this is just a quick power hour, just getting a quick reset or just doing things like this. Everybody pretty much in the house has a different day that I change their bed, because I don't really like making beds. Is anybody the same way? I'm just not, like, I don't like putting all the sheets on. It just, I don't know. It just doesn't do it for me. But I want to know from you guys, what is the most thing that you just cannot stand to clean? I know other YouTubers have asked this question, but I'm just curious for my viewers, what is the one thing that you don't want to clean? Because I don't like making beds, and if you guys notice, I don't really do floors all that much in my video. But on that note, I have a brand new cleaning product. So my birthday was on August 23rd, and my husband bought me a new, like I like to say, contraption to clean the floors with, because he knows how much I don't enjoy that. Because everything that I've used, like, I like the concept of, like, the cleaners that I have. So I got the O-Cedar mop. I love that it spins itself dry, but I just a lot of times don't feel like I put enough elbow grease to get some of the really hard stains out of the floor. So I feel like I end up with things still left behind with that. I do like how you can make your house smell amazing with the different cleaners you can put in there. But again, I just don't really feel like I put enough effort, because it'll just kill my back if I push too hard. The second thing that I had was a steam mop, and I love the concept of the steam mop. Again, I think they are amazing, but I kind of feel like with the steam mop, even though it gets up the really tough stains, sometimes I feel like I'm just moving dirt around on the same pad. Like, the pad will come out so nasty, and then I'm like, is that really all the dirt, or am I kind of just pushing it around type thing? So I like the steam mop in really small spaces, like bathrooms, or if you have a smaller floor space where you're just kind of doing it like in one little area in a kitchen or something. But for the whole house, like what I have to do, I just don't know if I really feel that I like the steam mop. So with all that being said, my husband got me a new thing, and I'm just ready to share it with you guys, but I'm going to leave you hanging here. It's going to be in the next video, but I think this may be it. I think this really might be the way, because my floors seriously have never looked cleaner. So I'm excited to share that with you guys in the next video. But here I've got Asher's room all ready, and then I'm moving into Jensen's room. So keep cleaning along with me, or enjoying your coffee while you're watching.
Sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful. calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial.
I'm just getting this sink all nice and wiped down. This is one of my favorite spaces in the home. I did not have a sink in my previous home, and I'm so thankful for this one. It has just been so nice, just cleaning off some of the more dirty items that I don't want like in the kitchen sink. This space does get quite dusty being the laundry room, and it's also kind of our walkway into the house from our garage. So it's kind of like the hallway, the main hallway. But I have a nice declutter video for you guys. I will leave it linked down below if you want to check that out of this space. I'm enjoying it so much better. And I also added these brand new hardware knobs and handles. I scored big time at Restoration Hardware Outlet. I will be leaving those linked down below if you guys are interested. They really, to me, just update this space. I noticed that new construction or newer houses in general tend to have more of the handles than the little pull knobs like what I used to have. And I just love the way that it looks. So I will link those down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Power Hour and Speed Clean. Please make sure to go over and say hi to Kirsty and watch her video. You guys, I know will love her as much as I do. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure to stay tuned because I will have that floor cleaning product in my next, or cleaning contraption, I guess you could say, in my next video. So stay tuned for that. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love always. Bye.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said